Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to import your contacts and organizations to Zendesk engaging with our marvelous tool. Migration Wizard simplifies the transferring process, making it faster and effective. Before you continue watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more data migration tutorials, news about help desk software, and more. At your first step, you need to create an account with our service in case you don't have one. Before performing a test import, check whether you have a created Zendesk account because you need a space where you're going to import your data. If you want more details on the pre-migration process, take a look at our checklist. We have left a link for you in the description box. After that, you need to select your source help desk software from the list and fill in the form with the necessary information. This action is obligatory as it empowers our tool with the ability to retrieve your data. Then you need to choose Zendesk as your target platform and connect it to our tool. As your next step, you need to specify what data you'd like to import. Since you want to migrate contacts and organizations, click on the appropriate boxes. Note that you can migrate not only the separate help desk objects, but also the knowledge base. As soon as everything is set up, you need to start the test import to see how the migration of contacts and organizations to Zendesk will look like. After the import is done, you will see the summary page with migrated entities and the buttons next to them which you have to press to download reports. After you have pressed one of the buttons, a report will open. In the report, you will see a list of record ID on your source software and corresponding records on Zendesk. Note that you have to check all records to make sure that everything has migrated correctly. After that, confirm that the data got transferred accurately. If everything looks great, you may start transferring all data at once or schedule your import. But before you do so, ensure that your Zendesk instance is ready. We have an awesome checklist to assist you with this task. You'll find a link to it in the description box. However, if you have any questions or would like to customize your migration, leave us a message in the live chat. So, let's dive into the world of a better customer experience with Zendesk. Sign up in Migration Wizard and initiate the transferring process now. We hope this video was useful for you, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.